almost get myself. You guys have known that dropped my phone. And finally I got it. I got for that, and my phone got a little broken from that. I dropped my phone radio, but anything for you guys. I can even destroy that phone for you guys. If I hit somehow like 1 million subs, I know it's impossible because I don't have a camera. I don't want to have phone. I don't have editing skills. But still, if we hit 1 million in subs, I break that. Guys, I'm joking, I will not, because I done bought it my father did for my mother's anniversary, so I can't do it. We'll see at 10 million. I mean, I can do a drop test on it if we hit 10 million. Like, drop it from my waist height. I'll do that on 1K. Drop it on my waist height. And I'm doing it. I'm talking. $400. Nice. So yeah, that's it. Color. Yes. Guys, and in tomorrow's shot, I'm gonna do something really cool. So, what's that? Killing it! That was really close. I got so scared at the last one. 400! Yes! Now, after this one, let's see if we can buy them. And you see powers that I have. These are expensive. $400 for each. And I bought 4 of them. And do you like these things on the front near the headlights? Yeah, let's fix this first. Oh. Okay, so I messed it up. Oh, it's the fender. I thought I damaged the fender, but I damaged the fender. You can see that. So do this. There you go. It cost only $2. We changed these headlights because these are ugly. So let's change that. Those are really ugly. You can upgrade. You can upgrade them. Let's upgrade one. No matter. Let's do a silver one. No, let's do a battle. I'll do the first one because I'm really bad at battles. Eric, please go easy on me because I'm really bad at battles. But I'm killing it. Okay. Off to the advantage. Okay. Please, Eric, go easy on me. Okay, I'm trying to keep up, but it's really hard. Okay, I think I lost. Yes, I lost. That's why I never do that anymore. That's why I'm so low. How much money will I have? Why are these so expensive? Not you too proud because we have more money. Right? If you are like little skills a bit, do round B. Because even if you don't get 100 points in everything, you still get 400, which is really good. Now I took some angles, that's why I got 450. And this is the end of the video. So let's read this list then we end the video. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.